In this video, we'll go over some tips and tricks for wrapping hoods in 3M Wrap Film Series 2080 G12 Gloss Black. This film features 3M's new protective film layer, which greatly reduces surface impressions and prevents any installation-related scratching. Tack the film along any high features on the hood, and use heat to stretch and flatten out the material over the rest of the body. Warm the material up and use a palm to push it down into any recessed areas. Squeegee the remaining film flat, using firm pressure to ensure proper adhesion. Stretch the film at the top corners of the hood, using a piece of liner to prevent adhesion to the windshield. Place the material down over the corner and heat. Upon reheating of the material, it will shrink back to its original size, resulting in a perfect tucking of the material underneath the body panel. As an industry first, the protective film layer on 3M 2080 wrap film can be left on for any and all installations, as it conforms with the wrap film itself. Any scratches impressed on the clear liner will not be transferred to the wrap film itself, resulting in flawless wrap finishes. After removing the protective film layer, make sure to post-heat all edges of the film to prevent future lifting.